Today we are going to take the practical way sorting the data. Last time we have already make the form entry, okay, and today we are going to discuss about how we can sort the data. Sorting the data, you know that sorting means arranging the data either in the ascending or descending order. Today we will do the practical way how we can sort the data. Here we are going to open the list which I have prepared for you. Okay, see here. Now today we are going to discuss about that how we can sort the data. Sorting means arranging the data ascending or descending. Today we are going to sort the names. Okay, first of all, how we can sort the data. Before that we are going to do that. First of all, we have to select the columns which we want to sort. For example, that I want to sort, okay, then we have to select these all, okay, this much and from down, okay. Now I am selecting the whole data, pressing the left button and dragging down. You also do that like that, okay. Now, okay, now data is completed selection, okay. After that we have to click on the now we are going to click, okay, for the sorting the data. Now, okay, now see here, click on the, okay, data option. Data option is given on the home tab. It is the Excel sheet. I have opened the Excel sheet, and in the Excel sheet we are going to click on the data option. Okay, in data option there is the sort. Okay, now we have to click on the sort option. See here, this dialog box will come. Here option is sort by. Then we have to click the for what, sort by. Here column name is also given here. Okay, A, B, C. These column names are, okay. Suppose that we are going to sort the data according to the name wise, then name is column C. Okay, C. If you want to sort the data according to the admission number, then we have to see that, but we are going to sort the data according to this total number, I think. Okay, otherwise no, we are going to just according to the, okay, name wise. Okay, select the column C, okay, C, and from here we are going to do that Z to A, means that first of all a letter come from the Z to A, according to that it will be sorted. Okay, now click over here. Okay, do not merge. Okay, this error message. Okay, we are going to do this, selecting the names. Okay, and after that we click on the sort. Okay, now slot by C number. Okay, and here we are going to, okay, I think this data has merged. Now we are going to sort the data. See here, this data has been sorted, listed in the Excel sheets. Now we have to sort the data, we have to click over here, okay, and selecting this all. Okay. After selecting the data, we have to select all the data. After that, click on the sort, and in the sort option, see here by the names. We are going to select by the names, value A to Z. We are going to select the A to Z, means A letter will come off, and according to that letter we sort. Okay, and when you click, see here, this data has been already sorted away. Okay, see here. Okay, now we are going to do the next topic, is that sorting completed. After the sorting the data, we are going to the filtering the data. Now we are going to filtering. The filtering feature is one of the interesting feature of the Excel, which helps to display the only those records that meet the specific criteria and hides rest of record. Now we are going to do the next things. Okay, and here we click on the filter. When we click on the filter, see a filter button has been added here. Okay, and just click over here, and now put away. And if you want to filter the IUs, okay, then see here, only one IUs is there. Matlab from the list we have sorted filter. Okay, for example, that if you want to make Ayush and Abhishek, okay, see here, Ayush and Abhishek has been come, and his serial number and roll number also come hai. This is the way how we can filter the data. And if you want to delete this filter, just click on the filter and it will be removed from here. Okay. Next is that filtering data has been completed, and next we'll discuss in next classes using the advanced filter, and then we are going to create the validations. Next we are going to create the subtotals of data and pivot tables also. Okay, thank you.